Horses gotta rest. We all agreed today cool was best. It's too hot for horse riding. What do we do? It's too hot for horse riding. We'll make it through. Martin, my hubby, and Rebecca too. Grab the inflatable kayak, paddled on through. Too hot for horse riding. Hanna on her paddleboard, smiling ear to ear, making waves and memories in the sunshine clear. Me, I stayed with Freddie, the happiest little dog, keeping cool together by the lake in gold. Freddie sniffed the pathways, tail held high all day, happy in the shade as we wandered our way. Then I bumped into Leslie, Richard Tash as well. What a lovely chance. And the stories they told, they'd all had the same bright plan. No horses today, cold drink, shady trees, and laughs along the way. It's too hot for horse riding. What do we do? It's too hot for horse riding. We'll make it through. Martin, my hubby, and Rebecca too, floated off together with a beautiful view. Hanna on her paddleboard, gliding nice and slow, watching little ripples gently come and go. Too hot for horse riding. When the evening breeze returns and the heat drifts away, the horses will be waiting for another day. But this sunny little story always makes us smile. Friends, family, Freddie, in summer for a while. The saddle stayed